Okay. Mann River. This is the Mann River Nature Reserve. There's caravan camping down that way, and back at the beginning there of the shot there was caravan and tent camping down that way. And there's all new toilet facilities here. There's picnic tables. There's lots of area to go and paddle your feet in the Mann River on the rocks. There's table and chairs, fire pits with swinging cook plate. This is a beautiful new facility that they've built. So pardon me, it's the Town of Mitchell campground and picnic area. Looks like to camp here you've got to book online. No fishing, and yeah, no yabby trapping. Absolutely lovely here, and it is just off of the old Grafton Road.